strips on chrome and concrete sides. Shadows whisper where the truth just dies. The system's grip a cold and
If you're seeing
heavy
this,
hand,
half of you is already gone.
pressing down across this broken land. They tell us lies, divide us by the shade, but in these alleys new connections made.
No more silence, hear the heart roar. Stand as one, we'll break down every wall.
Injustice isn't the way, the wise are cut, the signals fade. Inequality's a myth they made, a history won't degrade. Skin's a canvas, not a barrier. Unity's the carrier, against the darkness we're the warrior. Rise of defiant Taurus.
Secret share beneath the flickering light. Every silent struggle, day and night. A hidden strength, a bond that grows so deep. Promises of freedom we will keep. No single face, no solitary plea. Just burning hope for what we wanna be.
Shout it out, no justice, no peace. Let the chains release. Shout it out, inequality's curse. Let the system burst. United now, colors fade. Only purpose stays united now. Against the storm, we'll keep each other warm. Injustice isn't the way. Forever we will stand. Inequality fades away across this promised land. No color matters.